really short recipe of how to dress up your sugar cookies for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. Happy Valentine's Day! Okay, so first step that you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to have regular old sugar cookies any way you want. So these ones, they're regular vanilla, but we made, and these ones are almond. And soda. So we're going to need some regular, just strawberry frosting, and then freeze-dried strawberries. So next step, we're going to frost your cookies. So next step you're going to do is you're going to want to frost your sugar cookies, or your almond sugar cookies, whatever one you want. And then you're going to pour some freeze-dried strawberries into a bowl and crush them up with your hands or with a cup. Okay, so then you're going to sprinkle your little strawberries onto your cookie, like sprinkles. This is the one that we have on our channel, cookie. Thank you all for watching. Bye! Happy Valentine's Day!